Where we at, Mike?
Virginia, Richmond.
So we are picking up some GTR parts from J-Spec Auto, and they are out here. So we are going to be picking up a front clip for the R33, maybe some other 32 parts. I don't know.
We'll see what they got when we get there. I mean, I've had a chance to buy stuff from them before. Pretty awesome guys. Owner Sam is a great dude, so we're going to let you guys know when we get there, and we will check it out.
We got this big empty van. We're going to be filling it up here today. So it is the day after 420, which is Easter, and man, it is a nice day out. So get you guys here in a little bit, show you guys what we're getting.
The destination is on your right. 8409 Sanford Drive. Arrived.
I'm in every group. I sell shit like so quick. Like, I was up for shit, you know what I mean? But like when I was buying that black 34, I had $25,000 worth of parts just laying around. I sold 20 grand in a month. Just from going on the forums, like what I'll do is I'm on every 32 group. I'm like, if I'll add you on Facebook. Yep. I'll add you on Facebook. I don't know if I can tell you, but like what I'll do is I'm trying to sell something. GTR parts, we got JDM, STI, there's an R32, got some motors, trans, another GTR, with some more motors, all parts. Come get your stuff over here. GTR. Volk. R33 front clip. Alright guys, so we are back downtown. We are going through Washington, D.C. Beautiful day out. We got the clip here in the back.
The package is secured.
The package
I repeat,
is
the
secured.
package is secured.
So, yeah, just getting some nice video here, and we are heading back to my parents for a nice Easter dinner. So, oh yeah. All right, guys. So we just got home, and we got the new hood with the N1 little style lip there in the front, which is kind of like what I had on my other car. We got the front bumper with the GTR grille, which is what we needed. Got this cool OEM carbon add-on, which is really unique. I like that a lot. There is a, the bumper's not perfect. You can see the stretch cracks here a lot. It's a lot, but we're gonna repaint that, so I ain't worried about it too much. And this is all gonna get repainted white. It does have a little bit of scuffing, which I didn't see in the pictures, but shit happens. They got a big garage and shit on top of shit. So then we got the core support. So if anyone's looking for an R33 core support, we might sell this too. It's got everything. It's got the front mount intercooler, the radiator, AC condenser. It's got the latch. You're gonna need this if you're gonna upgrade from a GTST parts to a GTR. You're gonna need this latch. Blow off valve, stock. All the wiring. It's got the fuse box too. You won't really need that, but yeah. So got everything. Got the shroud. So pretty much everything you'd need for the front core support, especially yeah. So. And then we got the other R33 bumper that we're selling over here. That came off of the red car. And you can't really see it right now in the dark, but. And then we got the R34 wheels on our R32. and we might be selling this whole front end here and picking up another one. So let us know if you're interested in this. It does have like a few little dings and scratches, you know, nothing major, but easily fixed. And then the hood, it's got a couple dings, you know, a little bit of scratches there, and could need a nice little Bondo and polish up. But and then the bumper, GTR bumper. The only thing bad about this is a small little crack right here. So, and that's gonna go up on there. So, yeah, let us know. Big things coming up here soon. Oh shit! Look at that big ass spider. Oh yeah, look at that big ass motherfucking spider. Oh, shit on! Let's go! Damn, that motherfucker's huge. Damn. All right, but
that's a spider from Japan.
I know.
That motherfucker was like 21 years old.
But yeah, we got the R33 GTR fenders for sale. Might throw these on there and paint them. Haven't really decided yet. The only thing on this one, small little ding right there. That's it. Only imperfection on this. Everything else is stripped down, ready to paint. And I can easily bang that out and sand it down for you. Just pop it from the back and then just sand it down. So, but yeah, let us know, guys.
This is gonna be done probably tonight or tomorrow. It'll be fully complete. We got the wing on the back too.
So we got this little black little lip trying to go wingless.
This is kind of like a nice duckbill OEM style from the GTST. I think it looks pretty good. Not a lot of people have this.
And it's wingless.
On a GTR.
Yeah.
I think it'll give it a little bit more of a aggressive kind of wingless look. So.
And we got the R35 and the R34. So.
Thank you.
And we got
everyone for
the
watching.
R34 wheel back on here because we had
Only thing we're doing to this that we still need to do left is we are missing a coolant pipe to hook the turbos back up. Now we got the turbos over here. We got the front pipe.
It's too dark, bro.
You don't have your light on?
No.
All right, here, let me show. Yeah, we have some turbos here. These are 2860s, dash 5s, and we have the equal length front pipe. This is a mine style, it's an RSR model. So we got some good shit. Got the other GTRs just chilling. Oh man, I can't wait to get the 33 done. It's literally been waiting to get done forever. And just
Here's that bumper. And as I was saying earlier, there is a small fiberglass crack right here going down. And then right here is a little chip, and it has a small little crack up underneath there. So, yeah, Dulux style. If you're interested, let us up. This is for sale pretty cheap. So, definitely looks nice. But, yeah, guys, we got a bunch of parts. We're going to go ahead and get off here. Oh, we also got some GTST fenders for R33 up here. And we also have a GTST white hood for sale. Hit us up for that. This seat's gonna go back in the R33. And
brand new valve covers.
Yeah, we got the brand new valve covers on here. So yeah, man. See you guys later. Peace. All right, guys. So we got a quick little update video. This is the R32. It's got pretty much everything ready. We might go get some different bumpers and stuff on it. We got the R34 wheels on it. You can see here. The R33 just put the fenders on, and we got the Series 3 headlights on. So we're gonna go ahead and get this painted maybe soon or wrapped. Then we got the Series 3 bumper, or I think it's a Series 1 bumper, but it's got the nice carbon OEM insert, which is super rare and OEM. It's got the corner side marker lights. It's got the tray, and then this is the core support. We might actually use this on the 32 since we need a front mount, and it's got, like, you know, the all the wiring, which is nice. A lot of it's cut, but we'll definitely get you guys up to date here soon and getting this thing back up and looking like a GTR.